How to use Binance leverage tokens. Quick tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Binance leveraged tokens. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Binance.com and you will land on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. We can buy crypto with multiple options. We have our own marketplace where we have all of the trading options. And in our derivatives option, we have leveraged token. Enjoy increased leverage without risk of liquidation. In order to get started with Binance.com, you need to create an account. You can create an account with your email address or your phone number. Then you will get your own dashboard. After the initial sign up or sign in to Binance, this is where you will get. I have signed into mybinance.com. So you can see right here, we have our own dashboard, and now I have buy crypto option, market trade, derivatives, and everything. So let's actually get directly to the leverage token because this is the topic that we're covering today. So you can just go to the derivatives and you will find leveraged tokens. It will take you to binance.com/leveraged tokens. Increase leverage without risk of liquidation, and I'll show you how it works here and how we can actually trade with Binance. So first of all, you can see we have tokens, subscription history, redemption history, and service agreement. I have selected tokens from here, and then we can select all. So it will open up the market for me. It will open up the marketplace that we have for all the tokens available on Binance, leveraged tokens. And you will be able to see it is actually a huge marketplace. And I'll show you what information we're getting here and how to trade, subscribe, or redeem. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto, leverage token involve high degree of risk, or whether you're afraid to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto, you know how to use the leverage tokens, then you can get started. This is a tutorial for you guys about the platform Binance.com and how we can use Binance for leveraged tokens. That being said, let's continue. You can see we have all here, and I'm getting this, all of the tokens. We have tokens for short ADA and long ADA. We will also be able to check the leverage if it's 4x or 3x or 2x. Then we have NAV here given in your currency that you have. Real leverage. So this is where you will get the real leverage of the tokens. Then we have the last price, 24-hour change, and then we have three options: trade, subscribe, and redeem. So first you need to choose the token you want to go for. So I'm actually looking for a Bitcoin token, and we have two available: short BTC with up to 4x leverage, long BTC with up to 4x leverage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this one, BTC up, and then we have long BTC. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. You just have to select the token and it will open up the information for you. You can see this is the token. And now we have all of the information. So this is what we need to check before we buy or subscribe or redeem. All right, so this is our token. Again, I'm not suggesting to go for a token or anything. I'm just showing you around. We have this. So underline Bitcoin, this is the name, of course, leverage, target, and real. This is going to be the percentage here. And then we have basket for the futures. Token issued. So this is the price for the issued tokens. Then we have NAV. Daily management fee is actually 0.01%. Funding rate is 0.0101%. Generate 1.25x to 4x leverage gain when the prices of BTC rises. Now this is like a tip for you guys right here. If I scroll down, I will be able to check the NAV chart here, and we are getting a graph. This will give me an idea of what was the highest price, the lowest price, what's happening to my token that we have selected. We can of course select the time zone as well if we want to go with minutes, and we have 1 hour, what daily view, weekly, monthly, or we can also switch to the technical indicators. So this is the graph that you will be checking, and it will show you each and everything on every point. For example, like this is, I think, the lowest it went to. Yeah, this one. So let's see what was the price. You will be able to check every information: the close, low, high, open, change, amplitude, and everything. Scroll down, then we have rebalance history. So this is for the token, and you will be able to see the quick history here. For example, the time, basket before and after, delta, leverage before and after, tokens before and after. Once you have checked every information right here, then we have three options. We have buy, subscribe, and redeem. Let's say I want to buy. Click on the buy option, and then you have to select, and it will take you right here. This is our actually trading window, and it will allow me to buy BTC and BTC tokens. To buy, what you need to do is you will get all the information right here. So you can buy BTC up. Now this is what I'm going for. So we have 4.247 and sell for 4.2467. So right now, if I buy it, it's actually going to be good for me. It's going to be positive for me because the price is pretty low. If I sell, then it's going to be a loss for me because there was a price higher than this. But right now it's actually pretty good if I go with this because it's going up and I will be able to actually earn profit. So they're giving me a quick data right here. So this is really important. This is the option right here to buy. All you need to do is just enter the amount in USDT. Why we have USDT? Because this is the pair that we went for. So you can select it from here. You can select the main chain, which is going to be BTC for me, Bitcoin for me, and we have all of the other pairs. So this is how it looks. You will enter the price here in USDT. Then we have the amount in BTC up, like what amount you want to actually buy. Percentage, total in USDT. Again, click on buy BTC up and you will be able to buy a leverage token using Binance.com. So it's actually really easy to access these options. You just need to follow the steps that I showed you and you will get right here and you will be able to buy a token using Binance.com really easily. So this is how you buy a token. You can see, you can also select the market stop limit or a limit for the one you're going for. You can go with post only or iSpec 2. And this is going to be the buy the token, and it will also show you the fee level. Let's get back to our leverage tokens. All right, we have the buy option that I showed you. Then we have subscribe. So if you want to subscribe to it, so you can just click on subscribe. And then you can subscribe for this one, confirm your subscription, and you will become a subscriber for this token right here. Then we have redeem. Click on the redeem right here and you will be able to redeem your token. You just have to enter the amount and it will show you the available tokens that you have. And if you want to redeem any tokens, you will be able to do from here. Just enter the amount. This is some information. Click on confirmation redemption and it will be done. Why I am not going through these processes? Because it takes a little time and then some personal information is required. So I'm not doing it for the purpose of the video, but I'm showing you around how it works. It's actually really easy. Then we have our subscription history here. With our subscription history, of course, if I have any subscriptions, then I will be able to find them right here. Then we have redemption history and service agreement as well. Let's get back to the tokens right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick another example about the tokens. Again, you can see we have, all of the tokens. This time, what I'm going to do is I am going for a sushi token. So we have sushi down or sushi up. This time I'm going to go with sushi down, and this is going to be this one, short one. So again, you will just click on the trade option, or you can just open it up the other way. So I'm going to click on trade. Let's open it up and it will take me here. You can see we have underlying leverage basket token issued and some of the information. This is our nav chart right here. There is not much variation here, and then we have all of the history. So what you guys need to do, again, click on buy, subscribe, or redeem, and you will be able to actually buy, redeem, or sell your leverage token. And in this, there is actually no risk of liquidation because we're not adding any liquidity. We're just buying and we're trading with the leverage token. So this is actually a really good option available on Binance.com. And this way you will be able to buy, subscribe, and redeem your leverage token. Go ahead and check out Binance.com for leveraged tokens right here. Go to Binance.com/leverage token, create an account, and you will be able to avail all of the different features. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.